Sometimes a child can feel like the world is moving on without them. Until something shifts. Something reaches back. And where there was silence, there is movement. Wonder begins to gather. Like a murmuration turning in the sky, one small moment becomes the start of something bigger. A little anxious, a little curious, a little excited. Drawn toward a place where they can belong, where they can feel safe, where they can be seen. A world of fellowship, adventure, finding your people, learning differently, discovering what is possible. A place where every child can grow in confidence and achieve their personal best. Because we do not become ourselves alone. Because Ohana means family. And family means no one gets left behind. No one gets forgotten. Ohana. We are Ohana.